Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are creating another bowl today, but this time we're using casting resin. We weren't really sure how we wanted to pour this bowl, so you'll see that partway through we changed our techniques. We knew we wanted to work with glitter, and that be the main feature here, so we started with some clear resin and a sprinkle of glitter. We then mixed another glitter into some resin, which we poured on top, before adding some transparent color to the mix. This is when you'll see we decided to change up our technique and create a dirty pour for the rest of the bowl. In this dirty pour we mixed a few colours together, including white and a few other glitters, including fine glitters and chunky glitters. In hindsight, we should have just poured the glitters first, then the dirty pour, and maybe finished with some glitter over that, because we found the glitter sunk to the bottom of the measuring cup and didn't end up in the mould at all. Fortunately, we had another mould that was close by, so we ended up pouring the rest of the resin and glitter into it. This will be shown in another video soon. If we were to do another pour just like this one, I would probably use more clear resin instead of white and more glitters first, rather than mixing the glitter into the dirty pour. Anyway, we'll be sharing the demolding process next week and show you exactly how it ended up turning out. We've listed all the products we used in the description box below. If you have any questions about the products we used, please leave us a comment below. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos. We'll see you in the next one.